How to fix Telegram download error on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram download error on Android phone. First open settings and here just scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and here just type Telegram and click on it, and after that click storage and then click clear cache, and now click permissions. Now allow all of those permissions here, and after that just go back and go to data usage and check background data. You will find it like that, maybe then just allow it, and now go to draw over other apps and allow it, and that's it. Now just go back and go to battery and disable power saving mode. You will find it like that and disable it, and that's it. If that doesn't fix your problem, go to Play Store and update your Telegram, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.